In this present crisis, government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem.
All right, everybody, welcome to the Range Report. Today we're up at the Rockdale Rod and Gun Club in Rockdale, New York, and today we have a special event up here. It's Youth Day. Everything that we could possibly do to get the youth involved in the Second Amendment and outdoor sports is happening today. Behind me we have ice fishing. Back on the other side we have flintlock and muzzleloader. Over on the other side over there we've got archery and crossbow. We've got skeet and trap. Inside there tying fly fishing lures. Everything that you want to do to have your kids come outside, get away from the electronics, and enjoy the experience of outdoor life is what they're doing today. So if you have a club that you belong to, that you want to have involved in doing some of them, come to the Rockdale website, take a look at what they've done over here, and try to get your club to participate in an event similar to this one. Might be breeding a whole new world of Second Amendment advocates, but we have to start them now. This is the key to getting them involved. Today, Youth Day, Rockdale Rod and Gun Club.
Well, I think it's time we ask ourselves if we still know the freedoms that were intended for us by the Founding Fathers.
Senate rights, when politicians take from you and me the very liberties that set us free. So stand up and fight for this democracy, as you and me were the